Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our PHP lecture. In our last lecture, we have done with PHP operators. In that, we have seen arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator. Three operators we have completed in our last lecture of PHP operators. We are doing with our part of PHP operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay. So now today we are going to deal with increment and decrement operators. Let us start with increment and decrement operator. Okay, students, we are dealing with the PHP operators. Inside this, we are going to start today with increment and decrement operators of PHP. Okay, let us see one by one. The PHP increment operator are used to increment variables value. The PHP increment operators are used to increment a variables values. That means whatever your variable value is given, that variable value will be incremented by 1. Okay, I will explain you how it is going to increment or decrement. Let us see one by one. Now another thing is PHP decrement operators. PHP decrement operators are used to decrement a variables values. Okay, what the PHP decrement operator will do? It is used to decrement a variable values. Whatever the variable value is given, that variable value will be decremented by 1. Okay, now let us see our increment operator. Okay, the first is increment operator plus $x. Now what is this plus $x? First of all, plus $x is our pre-increment. Plus first, if it is using, then it is known as pre-increment. Okay, and if you are using $x plus means after variable you are putting your increment operator or decrement operator, then it is called as post increment operator. If you are putting your variable before your increment, you are putting operators before your variable, that is called pre-increment. And if you are putting your operator after, it is called after a variable, it is called as post increment. The very first one is plus $x, so it is a pre-increment operator. That means first you are writing your plus increment operator, then your variable name $x is your variable. That means what it will do, pre-increment will increment your $x value by 1. Okay, what it will do, it will increment $x value, the variable of $x will increment the value by 1 after returning it. Let us see the example of it. And you see over here, very first line doc type HTML, then HTML tag opens over here, then body tags opens over here, then after body tag your PHP tags is written over there. In this PHP tag, first variable is given $x. $x, can you see, this is your PHP tag. In this PHP tag the variable is declared $x. In this variable the value is given 10. The value of variable x is 10. Okay, next echo plus $x. That means pre-increment operator has been used over here. So the value will be incremented by 1. Let us see by running this practical. Some error is there. 1 second. Okay, the value of x is 10, and after incrementing the value of x, that is increment operator has been used, the value of x becomes 11. Can you say this? Okay, see, I am changing the value. I'm writing over 20 over here. The value of x given in the practical is 20, and after increment it becomes 21. Okay, it is the use of increment operator. Let us see another increment operator, that is post increment operator. Return x, then increment by 1. Now here, can you see doc type HTML example is given, HTML body, PHP tag opens, then variable x has been declared, $x is equals to 10 echo. First the variable x is given over here, that means variable x will be printed. After this plus variable x will be incremented. That means first it is not going to increment your value, first it is going to print your $x value, then it is going to increment your value, and after increment it will increment your value. So the output will be, sorry, some error is there. So value will be 10. Why 10? Value will be same because it is incremented, but before incrementing the value of x is printed. If you are putting your value of x here, that means echo space $x semicolon, enter. Now let us run this practical. After 10, 11 is printed. Okay, after 10, 11 is printed. Why? Because I have not given BR. If you are giving BR, then it will be printed in the next line. Why 11? If the incremented value 11 is been printed. Now understood? Okay, this is the use of pre-increment and post-increment operator. Plus and increment the value by 1. Now another thing is minus $x, minus $x, that means pre-decrement. It will decrement your value by 1. Same example will be using over here. Okay, that means the variable $x will be decremented by 1. Okay, let us see the example. You can see over here. I will explain you again. Doc type HTML. Okay, HTML tag, body tag, PHP tag opens over here. $x is equals to 10. The value of $x is 10. Then echo. After echo, you can see in decrement operator, minus sign is given. Minus. Okay, $x value is 10. First echo, it will be decremented your value. Minus means if it first decrement your value, then value is decremented by 1. That means 9 value will be stored over $x. So it is going to print you 9 over there. Okay, this is the example. See, the output is given over here 9. Why? Because first the variable x, that is 10, it will be decremented. After echo, minus sign is there, that means decrement sign is given over there. So it will first going to decrement the value, then after decrement it will going to print your $x value. Okay, it is called as pre-decrement value. Next is $x minus. It is called as post decrement value. What it happens, it returns x, then decrements the value. It first the value of x is written over there, and then it will be decrementing your value over there. Okay, so look at here in the example, same PHP $x is given 10 echo $x minus minus is given semicolon slash body slash HTML. Okay, 10 is given over there. This was your pre in PHP increment and decrement operator. There are 4 types of PHP increment and decrement operator. First was PHP increment operator, and second is PHP decrement operator. In PHP increment operator, first pre increment operator is there. Okay, we have seen this. Then another post increment operator is there. Then third one is pre decrement operator, and fourth one is post decrement operator. So all the 4 things we have seen over here. All the 4 operators we have seen in a increment and decrement operator. Okay, now we are going to see PHP string operators. PHP string operators. Okay, let us start with this. PHP has 2 operators that are specially designed for strings. Okay, in PHP there are 2 operators which are specially designed for your string operations. Specially 2 operators has been designed in PHP to deal with the string operations. Now let us see one by one these 2 operators. The very first is concatenation operator, dot operator. Can you see over here? This one, concatenation operator, dot operator. Can you see dot operator over here? Okay, this dot operator. Okay, its name is concatenation operator. Let us see the example. $txt1, that is the variable $txt1 dot, that is concatenation operator, is used with $txt2. That means $txt1 dot txt2 has been concatenated. The result of these 2 will be concatenation of $x, $txt1 and $txt2. Okay, concatenation of $txt1 and $txt2. Let us see the example of it. Here you can see the example of it. Very first line of tag is doc type HTML, then HTML body tag, inside body tag PHP tag opens over here. In this PHP tag we have written $txt1. In this first variable $txt1 we have stored a value. Which value? Hello value is stored. Let us see again. $txt1 is your first variable. In this first variable we have stored a value hello inside double inverted comma. Hello value is been stored, after which we have given a semicolon. Okay, $txt2. Inside this $txt2 world has been given. txt2 is equals to world. So inside double inverted commas, semicolon, echo. Next is echo print, to print a statement. Echo is given $txt1 dot $txt2 semicolon, $txt1 dot $txt2 semicolon. That means your concatenation operator has been used over here. That means $txt1, your first variable, has been concatenated with $txt2. It is called as concatenation operator. Dot operator has been used over here to concatenate 2 strings. Okay, that's why it is called as string operator. Okay, then PHP tag close, body tag close, HTML tag close. Now by running this practically we will get this output, hello world. Can you see this? Hello world, it is the output. It means the 2 words has been joined, the 2 words has been concatenated. Okay, now another operator is concatenation assignment operator. Another operator is concatenation assignment operator. Okay, That means dot is equals to concatenation and assignment operator. $txt1 dot $txt2 $txt1 dot $txt2. Okay, let us see what happens to this. It will appends $txt2 to $txt1. That means the $txt2 will be going to append to $txt1. Let us see the example. Same example has been given over here. Hello world. First doc type HTML tag, body tag, inside body tag PHP tag opens over here. Then $txt1, inside $txt1 hello has been stored. Hello value has been stored in $txt1, it is variable 1, and variable 2 $txt2 is equals to world has been stored. Value of world has been stored in $txt2. Then $txt1 dot is equal to $txt2. $txt1 dot is equal to $txt2. Okay, this is called as append. Now echo $txt1, the $txt2 will be append to $txt1. That means the value of $txt2 will be put it inside to a $txt1, and we are printing $txt1 value. So the value of hello world has been printed over here. Clear? This is called as append. So today we have learned two type of variables. First was increment and decrement operator. Okay, it is pre-increment, post-increment, then pre-decrement, post-decrement, and then we will deal with PHP string operators. Okay, in these two operators are there. First is concatenation operator and concatenation assignment operator. Okay, students, so note down this. Everything is important in exam point of view. Okay, in our next lecture we are going to deal with another operators. By the way, if you have any doubt, please write it down on our IT book. Okay, thank you.